If the chimney is not swept regularly, the risk is that the chimney becomes obstructed, either obstructed with soot or debris. It could be obstructed with a bird's nest, it could be obstructed with a squirrel's nest or a wasp's nest or a bee's nest. There's several things that could cause a problem in a chimney. But a chimney that's not swept regularly, with a build-up inside it, is obviously going to be more of a danger than a chimney that's clear and clean. Because if the carbon monoxide gases, which is caused by any fire that burns, be it solid fuel, burning wood or smokeless coal or gas, all fires make carbon monoxide. If the fumes can't escape, the risk of the fumes coming back is a danger to you.